So guys, let's start with the keywords in Python. Yes, before starting the keywords, make sure in your mind that it's a reserved words that I earlier discussed in the previous videos, right? So whenever the word comes like reserved, so it means that word is keyword in the Python. So make sure if you are new to learn in the Python language, then the keywords identify these terms as like maybe new for you all, because I am considered that you are starting from the zero level, right? But if you are knowing the programming a little of any like Java, C++, then it's not a big deal in this, right? So keywords are reserved words. Okay, we get to know, but how we get to know the reserved words and what are the reserved words and how we can see in the our Python shell, right? So just do it. Firstly, install or download, because it's an open source, so you can easily download from the Google. Just write down Python, okay, and it will show the first link. Then click down, and then you can download from there. And whenever you open the Python, the 3.76 I guess will be open, then you can write there, which you will show like import keyword print keyword dot kw list. It's a pattern, or it's a code to display the keywords, right? So if you don't know the keywords, then if you write these two lines in a Python shell, import keyword print keyword dot kw list, then you can easily get your keywords, right? So there are so many keywords, mainly 33 keywords are there, but two more I can come like async and await, as I read in the different kind of a books. But if you have an old one book, then it shows the 33 keywords, right? And in the 33 keywords, there are the three one like false, none, and true are in the uppercase, and the rest is in the lowercase. So make sure whenever you want to learn the keywords, then they are the 33 keywords, and two are new, which may be shown in your library. If you are downloaded the new version of Python, then it will show that these two also. But if you have downloaded the old version, that it will show with the 33 keyword, right? So 33 are in front of you, and the two which I'm talking about, that is async and await, okay? And false, none, and true, only three are from them which are in the uppercase letter, rest are in the lowercase letter. You should keep this in your mind, that three are in the uppercase, rest are in the lowercase, right? Okay.